Hey everyone, Matthew Letendre here. Welcome to my next video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own YouTube channel. I'm even going to go over all of the things in your YouTube studio. Let me bring up a channel here. So,
hey guys, Matthew Letendre here.
Okay, so creating a YouTube channel is very easy. Now, if you want to market, if you're into video marketing or you have a brand that you want to show other people, whatever it is that you're going after, I believe videos are very powerful. That's one of the reasons why I broke out of my shell and started making videos. I got out of my comfort zone because I knew that videos would really help not only my brand and my online business and all my motivational videos that I put out, it would help me get out to more people so people can actually see me and build that relationship. Because when you really look at it, people join people, and what better way to do that than to show people you. Whatever it is that you're going after, whether it's online business or some other thing that you want to do, whether you want to do a podcast or you want to review videos or tech devices, whatever it is that you want to do, video is very powerful. So that's why I'm doing this video, because I want to help everyone. I want to help people not to give up on their dreams and goals. I want people to know that we are all far more capable of doing more than we think. I was afraid to do videos in the beginning, but the more I did them, the easier it got. So anyways, in order to start your YouTube channel, all you got to do is create a Gmail account. So if you already have a Gmail email, you have a Gmail account. So all you got to do is just go to Gmail and create an account. You just click this link. It's going to ask you to create an account somewhere on the page, and that's all you do. And when you log into your YouTube, all you're going to need is the password and the email to log into YouTube. And once you log into YouTube, you technically already have a YouTube channel. You just haven't uploaded videos yet. So that is how simple it is to create your own YouTube channel. So the next thing I'm going to show you is in your studio. I'm just going to go over a few things on how to set up your YouTube channel. So you're going to come down here to settings. This is all general stuff that you want to do. And I'm going to go over other stuff in the studio as well. But for this video, I'm just going to go through the basics. And then my next video will be going over everything in the studio. So right here where it says channel, what you want to do is in this section, you can add all your tags that you want to go on to your videos. You can pre-write them so they're saved in here. So when you upload the video, you can just add these tags in. Right here where it says advanced, you have this is a new law, a new guideline for YouTube. Your channel either has to be for children or it's not for children. I select no, none of my videos are for children. You can hit yes or no. Or you can say, I want to review this setting for every video. So once you upload a video, it's going to ask you, is this video for children or is it not? So that's something that you have to do. Feature it. Okay. So right here where it says upload default, this is basically where you can keep So you don't have to keep writing out your description for every video. You can save it here, and you can also edit your video. If there are changes that you want to change in your description, you can make the changes here. I always set my videos to private whenever I upload a video. If you want them to go public right away, you can set it for that, or you can put it as unlisted. Unlisted basically means no one can see it unless you give them the link for that video. Private means exactly what it says. It's private. No one can see it. So, and then you can also add your tags here as well. So, and then you got your permissions here. Yes, you're the owner. Let's see. So right here where it says default, this is where you can select how you want your comments to go. So I have it as to allow all comments. Oh, you can also hit this one right here where it says hold potentially inappropriate comments. And then you can also select it for hold all comments until you review them. Or you can disable comments altogether. So that's how you can edit your comments. Let's see here. So that's the basics of how you're going to set up. Now, when you want to customize your videos, you can actually add videos to your. So when like it says right here, channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed yet. So this channel, you can put like an introduction about yourself on what your channel is all about. Right here, you can add a featured video for returning subscribers. So you can make them different. And all you got to do right here is you can go right here where it says change video. And then it's going to make all your videos pop up. And then you select the video you want. Or you can hit remove video. Same thing for here. Change video or remove video. All right, so right here where it says branding, you can add a picture of yourself. So I brand myself. Matthew Letendre is my brand. So I have a picture of myself here. You can change it or remove it. And then you can also add a banner here. That's gonna, like you can see, I just have like a simple blue thing right here for my channel right here. And then you can add a watermark if you want. And you can select where, if you want it at the end of the video, you can also place it at a certain time in the video, or you can have it in the entire video. And essentially what people are gonna do is if they hover their cursor over the watermark, it's going to say, do you want to subscribe to your channel? So that's how you do the branding. And then the basic info is basically this is going to be your channel name. My channel name is Matthew Letendre. That's who I'm branding myself. You can change it to whatever you want your channel to be. And then right here, this is a new thing that YouTube just started. We now have YouTube handles. So my handle is @Matthew Letendre. And then here is the link. It's youtube.com/@Matthew Letendre. So if people want my YouTube channel, that's the link I'll send them. Now, you can create a custom one right here as well. I was going to change that, but this is here now, so I'll just give out this link for my YouTube channel. And then this is your channel URL. This is like the full version. This is the standard video address for your channel. It includes your unique channel ID, which is the numbers and letters at the end of the URL. And then this is a custom URL that I kind of started when I first started the channel, way back. But But if I'm going to use the link, I'm going to use this link right here. So, and then you can also add a business link, or if you have a website that you want people to go to, you can add that here. I have Facebook right here for my social media. If I want to add new ones to this list right here, like if I want to add my Twitter or something else, I can do that right here, or my TikTok or whatever. So, and then down here is your email address. So that's pretty much how you set up your YouTube channel. Now, in my next video, I'm going to show you a more in-depth of video of the entire back office. So I'm going to go over what everything does, how you upload a video, all those kind of things. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and comment below if you have any questions. All the stuff that I do is in the description below, including all my contact information as well. So I hope you guys have a great night or day whenever you're watching this video, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.